Part 1 of this demo draws from 10 comprehensive datasets, each designed to address a specific aspect of vehicle and component analysis, including cost optimization, performance benchmarking, sustainability, supply chain resilience, quality control, teardown efficiency, future trends, and regulatory risk management. Through these datasets, we'll showcase how we can analyze data to uncover inefficiencies, predict risks, and generate actionable strategies to drive cost savings, enhance sustainability, and maintain a competitive edge in the automotive industry. Let us first analyze the cost and performance data for all components using the Cost Optimization and Design Performance datasets. It identifies components with the highest cost-performance trade-offs and recommends changes to suppliers, materials, or design processes to optimize both metrics simultaneously. It also includes estimated cost savings and performance improvements for each suggestion. Utilizing the lifecycle sustainability and supply chain optimization datasets, let us identify components with the highest carbon footprint or sustainability gaps that are also at risk of supply chain delays. Based on the query, it also recommends changes to materials or suppliers to enhance both environmental sustainability and supply chain resilience, providing a quantified analysis of the expected impact. Now, by combining the competitor benchmarking and future trends datasets, let us compare the company's components against competitors and identify emerging material or design trends. It highlights components where the company is at risk of falling behind and proposes proactive strategies to stay ahead, including an adoption timeline for promising trends. Using the predictive quality control and vehicle teardown datasets, let us use SoothGPT to predict which components are most likely to experience quality issues in the future. It identifies opportunities for modular design improvements to reduce defect risks and streamline disassembly processes. It also provides a detailed action plan to enhance quality and simplify assembly. Leveraging the risk management and AI-powered reporting datasets, let us now generate a detailed summary of regulatory and recall risks associated with the current component portfolio. We also ask it to create an actionable risk mitigation plan and an executive summary report that highlights key findings, risks, and recommendations, ensuring clear and impactful communication. This demonstration illustrates how leveraging diverse datasets can deliver powerful, actionable insights, empowering smarter decisions that optimize costs, improve performance, and ensure long-term sustainability and compliance. For the second part of this demo, let us upload a vehicle teardown dataset that provides a detailed breakdown of component-level information, including assembly complexity, disassembly times, failure rates, sustainability scores, and costs. We will use this dataset to highlight how we can analyze inefficiencies, predict future risks, and propose actionable improvements tailored to key vehicle categories, optimizing cost, sustainability, and performance. This question identifies problematic components based on failure rates and evaluates the economic trade-off between repairing or replacing them, helping to optimize maintenance strategies and reduce long-term costs. Now, this question uncovers how complex assembly processes correlate with environmental sustainability and explores opportunities for modular designs to streamline processes and improve eco-friendliness. Lastly, this prompt focuses specifically on the powertrain category, identifying components with high complexity, long disassembly times, and low recyclability. It evaluates failure modes, predicts future failure likelihood, and estimates repair and replacement costs over the next 5 years. The results presented in a clear table also include actionable recommendations for material and process improvements to enhance sustainability and reduce costs. These analyses demonstrate how leveraging detailed teardown data can drive actionable insights, enabling smarter decisions to optimize costs, enhance sustainability, and improve overall vehicle performance.